Welcome to Istanbul, a city where the echoes of history resound in every street journey as we explore the timeless beauty and rich heritage of this magnificent metropolis. Our journey begins at the majestic Hagia Sophia, an architectural masterpiece that has stood the test of time. Built over a millennium ago, this marvel of Byzantine engineering has served as a cathedral, mosque, and now a museum. Step inside and be transported to a world where intricate mosaics and towering domes tell tales of empires and civilizations long gone. Next, we find ourselves at the serene courtyard of the Blue Mosque, also known as Sultan Ahmed Mosque. Adorned with thousands of blue tiles and crowned by 6 soaring minarets, it is a testament to the grandeur of Ottoman architecture. As the call to prayer echoes through its halls, visitors are enveloped in a sense of tranquility and reverence. Our journey through time continues at the Topkapi Palace, once the lavish residence of Ottoman sultans. Wander through its sprawling courtyards and opulent chambers, where priceless treasures such as the spoonmaker's diamond and the Topkapi dagger are proudly displayed. From the lush gardens to the breathtaking views of the Bosphorus, every corner of this palace whispers tales of power, intrigue, and romance. No visit to Istanbul is complete without exploring the labyrinthine alleys of the Grand Bazaar. Step into a world where centuries-old traditions meet modern commerce as vendors peddle their wares amidst a symphony of colors and aromas. From handcrafted ceramics to intricately woven carpets, the bazaar offers a treasure trove of souvenirs and keepsakes to take home. To experience Istanbul's unique position straddling 2 continents, we set sail on a mesmerizing Bosphorus Cruise. As we glide along the tranquil waters, we pass by iconic landmarks such as the Maiden's Tower and the majestic Dolmabahce Palace. With Europe on one side and Asia on the other, the Bosphorus embodies Istanbul's status as a bridge between cultures and civilizations. Our journey culminates at the historic Galata Tower, a towering beacon that has watched over the city for centuries. Ascend to its panoramic observation deck for breathtaking views of Istanbul's skyline, where ancient mosques and modern skyscrapers mingle against the backdrop of the setting sun. As we bid farewell to this timeless city, we carry with us memories of its beauty, its charm, and its enduring spirit. As the sun sets on our adventure, we reflect on the timeless allure of Istanbul. From its ancient monuments to its vibrant markets, this city captivates the heart and soul of all who wander its streets. Join us again as we continue to explore the wonders of this magnificent city and uncover the secrets of its past and present.